Welcome to this video. I am going to solve a question using the properties of parallel lines. In the diagram on the left, you can see that the lines AC and DE are parallel and that angle A is equal to 31 degrees because the two angles are alternate angles, considering AC to be parallel to DE. That's all you have to do for A. The property or the reason that you have written in the bracket is good enough. To find the value of B, I will again use the same property, that is alternate angles. Instead, this time it's gonna be B is equal to 35 plus 31, and I have to write the reason in the bracket, that is alternate angles, and the parallel lines are still the same, that is AC is parallel to DE. 31, sorry. That would become 66 degrees, and that is your answer for B. I especially wanted to discuss this question because many students make a mistake when they are applying the property of alternate angles in case of B. What they usually do is they consider the angle B to be equal to only 35 degrees, which is wrong. It's always a good idea to highlight the lines which you are working with, and like I have done so, AC is parallel to DE and the line that joins the two parallel lines, like so. For a moment you will have to ignore the fact that the angle D that I have highlighted is being split into two different angles. When you are applying the property, it is for the whole angle. So B should be equal to this complete angle, and the complete angle would be 35 plus 31, like I have done, and your answer would be B is equals to 66 degrees. That's it. Thank you for watching.